I had some jewelry and clothing that looked pretty plain in regular photos. So I uploaded them to SellerPic AI, and within seconds, the items were shown on real models. It instantly looked way more awesome. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do the same. We'll walk through all the main tools step by step, including a few advanced features that most platforms don't offer. Let's start by setting up your account. First, head over to the SellerPic AI website from the discount link in the description. The sign-up process is quick, and if you use Shopify, you can connect your store right during sign-up. Once you're in, you'll get a free trial with 20 credits to test the platform. Here's how the credit system works. Different tools use different amounts. Some image tools take 2 credits, others take 4. And if you generate a video, that'll use 10 credits. Credits reset every month, so you get a fresh batch to work with regularly. Once you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where everything is: virtual try-on, model generator, background tools, and more. You'll also see how many credits you have left, and all the images and videos you create will be saved under the My Creations tab. Alright, now let's try out the virtual try-on tool for accessories. This feature is designed to place accessories, like bags, glasses, hats, necklaces, and bracelets, onto AI-generated models, so your product looks like it's actually being worn. Start by uploading your product image. You can upload it straight from your device, choose from files you've already uploaded, or pull it directly from your connected Shopify store. Once the image is uploaded, there's a zoom tool that lets you adjust the product size. This part really matters. If the accessory is too big or too small, the AI can place it awkwardly. For example, when I uploaded a bracelet, I had to shrink it down to make sure it looked right. Otherwise, it would have ended up looking out of place. After adjusting the size, I selected the model. The AI automatically detects and marks where the accessory should go. Then I clicked Generate, and the AI got to work. A few seconds later, it gave me 2 model images. One of them didn't quite get the sizing right, like I mentioned. The bracelet looked a bit off. But the second one came out perfect. The accessory looked natural, and the model photo was clean and ready to use. You can download the final image as either a JPG or PNG, depending on what you need for your store or social media. Now, let's move on to trying out clothing using the virtual try-on for apparel. This tool creates full AI-generated model photos wearing your clothing items, so you can see exactly how your product would look on a real person. So you'll get 2 options here: separates, which is for tops and bottoms, or one-piece garments. In this case, I'm uploading a one-piece outfit. Next, you can set up the model details, choose the gender, age range, and even the background style. These settings help match your target customer or the look you want for your store. Once that's done, just hit the Generate button and let the AI do its thing. In a few seconds, it created the model images, and as you can see, the result looks super natural. The dress fits perfectly on the model, and it really shows off the design cleanly and professionally. Alright, let's say you already have a product image with a model, but you want to switch things up. Maybe change the face, the pose, or just the overall vibe. That's where the Swap Fashion Model tool comes in. I uploaded a photo of a girl modeling a dress, but I wanted to change the model while keeping the dress exactly the same. Once the image is uploaded, use the selection tool to highlight the dress that should stay untouched. After that, you'll see a list of AI-generated model options. I picked one that matched the style I was going for, clicked Generate, and waited a few seconds. The results were impressive. I picked the best image from the batch, downloaded it, and honestly, it looked great. Even though the model and pose were different, the final image still looked sharp and natural, like it was shot that way from the start. Now, let's take a look at how you can enhance your product photos using SellerPic's AI product image tools. First up is the lifestyle scene. This one lets you place your product into a real-looking setting. So I uploaded a photo of a perfume bottle here. Then you just describe the scene you want. I typed, "The perfume placed on a white marble vanity." Super simple. You can also upload your own scene photo if you already have something in mind. Hit generate, and it gives you 4 versions to pick from. I chose the one that looked the most natural, as if it had gone through a proper, expensive product photo shoot. Next is Product Spotlight. This tool gives your product a fresh background to make it stand out more. I uploaded an image of a sofa and entered that it should be in a cozy living room, then clicked Generate. A few seconds later, it gave me 4 background options. I picked the best one, and the result looked great, like the sofa was actually photographed in that space. Now let's look at the AI editor tools. This is where you can fine-tune your images without needing any design skills. Each of these tools uses just 1 credit, so they're quick and cost-effective. Let's start with Background Remover. From the AI editor section, click on Background Remover. I used the sofa image again here. I selected the part of the image where I wanted the background removed, clicked Generate, and that's it. The background was gone, and I had a clean product image ready to use for ads or product listings. Next is the Background Replacer. I uploaded the same perfume image from earlier. Here, if you already have an image with the background removed, you can upload that too. The tool first removes the background, then gives you the option to either generate a new one with AI or upload a custom background. I chose to upload my own. After that, I just adjusted the product a bit to fit into the new scene and reviewed the final result. Looked polished and ready to go. Now on to Image Extender. This tool helps expand your image background without stretching or cropping anything. I uploaded a photo with a couch and a lamp and selected the side I wanted to extend. You can pick left, right, top, or bottom. I hit Generate and let the AI fill in the space. The result was natural as expected, like the original photo was just wider. Then there's Magic Eraser. It's used to remove anything you don't want in an image. I uploaded the bracelet photo I used earlier, highlighted the bracelet with the brush tool, and hit Generate. The AI filled in the space, and honestly, it looked like the bracelet was never there. Next is Image Enhancer. This tool helps improve image resolution. I uploaded the dress model photo we generated earlier because I felt it needed a sharper look. Chose the 4K enhancement level, hit Generate, and it gave me a much cleaner version. The difference was clear, especially in the fabric details. Finally, there's Color Changer. Click on it from the AI editor and upload your image. I used a photo of shoes and selected the part where I wanted the color changed. You can either pick a new color or type in a hex code. After that, I clicked Generate and the tool gave me a new version with the exact color I wanted, smooth and accurate. And that wraps up the editing tools offered by SellerPic AI. Next, let's see how to create AI-generated product videos from your photos. From the dashboard, click on Image to Video. Then upload the product image you want to animate. I used the image of a model wearing this stylish dress. Next, you can customize the video. There's an optional video prompt where you describe the kind of movement you want. I wrote that the model should smile and show the dress from left and right. You can also enable auto-generated audio by checking the box if you want synced background sound added automatically. Then choose the video style. You've got 2 options here: Stable Style, which adds smooth and natural movements, or Creative Style, which is more dynamic and artsy. I went with Stable Style for a realistic look. Now choose the video length, either 5 or 10 seconds. Click Generate, and a few seconds later, your video is ready. I reviewed mine, and the animation looked really smooth. It added just enough movement to show the complete dress from the front, back, and sides. And we're done. So before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the pricing plans. SellerPic does have a free plan, which gives you 20 credits to try out all the main features. But if you need more, there's the starter plan at $29 per month, or you can pay annually at $276, which basically gives you 50% off. Now for my final thoughts. I seriously enjoyed trying out the tool, and I definitely recommend it to marketers to save money on product photos and videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, you'll also like this where I compare 3 best fashion model generators in 2025.